we shall be talking about the last digit or the unit digit of a number, cyclicity of 2 and cyclicity of 3. Find the last digit of 2 raised to power 73. We are not concerned that what is the value of 2 power 73. Neither we are asked to find out. We have just to calculate what is the last digit of 2 raised to the power 73. Let us understand the pattern of 2 power any number. So 2 power 1 is 2, 2 power 2 4, 2 power 3 8 and 2 power 4 16. Move further, 2 power 5 is 32, 2 power 6 is 64, 128 and 256 is the value of 2 power 8. If we look at the pattern which is followed, it is a number ends with 2, 4, 8 and 6. When you begin from 2 power 5, again the pattern followed ends in 2, 4, 8 and 6. Now further 2 raised to power 9, again the same pattern 2. Again it will continue as 2, 4, 8 and 6. So you have to remember this pattern 2, 4, 8, 6. Again start with 2, 4, 8, 6. Okay. Now another thing to be seen is when it is 2 raised to power 4, the number ends with 6. And if the power is multiple of 4, again the number ends in 6. See, 2 power 8, 8 is the multiple of 4, number ends in 6. If you consider 2 power 12, 12 is a multiple of 4, again it will end in 6. So 2 raised to power any number and the power, if the power is a multiple of 4, definitely the last digit is going to be 6. Okay. Now the question is 2 raised to power 73. Calculate which is the closest multiple of 4 before 73. So 72 is a multiple of 4. This means that 2 power 72 will end in 6, because I told you in the previous slide that 2 raised to power multiple of 4 end will 6. So 2 raised to power 72 will end in 6. So now 2 power 73 will end in 2, because 2, 4, 8, 6. 6 के बाद again you will start with 2, 4, 8, 6. So 2 power 72 is ending in 6. Therefore 2 power 73 will again end in 2. 2 power 74 will end in 4. 2 power 75 will end in 8. Again this pattern will be followed. So our answer is 2. 2 power 73 will end in 2. Next question is, what is the last digit of 2 raised to power such a big number? So what you will do is, you will divide the power by 4 and check what is the remainder. If we see the divisibility test of 4, we need to refer to the last 2 digits. If those 2 digits are divided by 4, that means the whole number will be divisible by 4. Now the last 2 digits of this power is 51. So 51 divided by 4 gives you 12 4s are 48 and the remainder is 3. Now because the remainder is 3, you will consider it as the same as 2 raised to power 3. Now 2 raised to power 3 ends in 8. Therefore, this number, this huge number will end in 8 and your answer is last digit is 8. Next is the cyclicity of 3. The question is, what is the last digit of 2753 raised to the power 3084? Now, because the base 2753 is such a big number, you will consider the last digit. The last digit is 3 and you will follow the pattern of 3. So, let us understand the pattern of 3. 3 power 1 is 3, then power 2 is 9, power 3 is 27 and power 4 is 81. So, what pattern does 3 follow? The digits end with 3, 9, 7 and then again 1. If you consider 3 power 5, it will end in 3. 3 power 6 will end in 9, 3 power 7 will end in 7 and 3 power 8 will end in 1. So this pattern 3 follows 3971. So this is the pattern 3971. Now if you consider, if the power is a multiple of 4, 3 power 4 ends in 1, again 3 power 8, 8 is a multiple of 4, the number will end in 1. If you consider 3 power 12, 12 is a multiple of 4, the number will end in 1. Okay. Now you see your present question power. This is 3084. You just check. 3084 is a multiple of 4. Yes, it is. Consider the last two digits. 84 is a very well multiple of 4. Therefore, because the power 3 power 4 or 3 power, any power multiple of 4 end in 1. So your given number, this huge number, this one which is given to you in the question, the number will end in 1. So your answer is 1. So here I come to the end of the article. I hope I have made the things very clear to you. In case you have any doubt, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay blessed.